Hi and welcome. This is a step-by-step guide on how to log into your Enforcer profile. First thing you're going to do is go to www.lucidview.net and then you're going to click on Login. And you are going to click on Enforcer Profile Login. You have two options when logging in. You can enter the specific GUI over here, whereby an email will be sent to you with a link, or you could do the two-factor, where you enter the specific enforcer GUI, that's an email address. So I'm going to enter the GUI over here, and then I'm going to click Submit, and there you go. An email has been sent to me, so I'm going to go pick up my emails. And there is my email, and I'm going to click on the link. And there you go. I have logged in to that specific enforcer, and now I can configure it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.